Hydrogen has the potential to be a universal fuel. Wherever you have water and electricity, you can make clean hydrogen energy. And this means that liquid hydrogen in general, is not just an energy carrier, it's also a carrier of collaboration between societies and an opportunity for technology sharing across the world itself. The opportunities to utilize hydrogen as this uniting common ground for humanity really is the potential of hydrogen I see. My name is Liam Turner, and I'm an Australian Fulbright scholar exploring hydrogen's potential to connect the world. I first met Jake at Australia's first liquid hydrogen conference in Australia 2019. He brought this invigorating energy to the discussion on liquid hydrogen, and why on earth we are actually liquefying hydrogen at negative 253 Celsius. At the time I started my PhD, there was no liquid hydrogen lab or capabilities in Australia at all. And I saw the opportunity to conduct exchange research to bring that spark to Australia, and Hyper was the primarily leading opportunity for that. My first day at the Hyper Lab, one of the things I immediately came to appreciate is that this is a lab of people. This is not a soulless research machine churning out papers or publications or whatnot. It's a community where everyone has a different walk of life they come from and has a different vision for where they want to see hydrogen in a sustainable future. And together here is this melting pot of everyone's different jigsaw piece to form an overall vision of what the future of hydrogen for humanity could look like. What makes Hyper unique is the holistic approach to liquid hydrogen research, whether that be between material science, talking with fluid mechanic engineers, working with heat transfer specialists. That's the crux of any cryostat and hydrogen experiment itself. There's all these phenomena occurring at these extremely low temperatures, and we need expertise in all of them to actually reveal the full picture. Collaboration is a necessity for any cryogenic hydrogen research. Hydrogen, one of the smallest molecules in the world, at the most extreme conditions in the universe. That is a recipe for very complicated experiments. So we really need to rely on each other as a support network to help each other actually achieve this research, to harness the power of liquid hydrogen. The most valuable asset we have in our lab is certainly the whiteboard and the collaboration space. That's our blank canvas where all our ideas can come together. Everyone in the Hyper community has a jigsaw piece, whether that be their passion or their tool set for hydrogen. And we can draw that together, a vision of what a future of hydrogen could look like, where we all provide feedback on each other's work and help build projects together. I'm currently exploring the behavior of liquid hydrogen down to negative 253 Celsius. Hydrogen exhibits some unique properties in that it can actually be used as a refrigerant as well as a fuel itself. So we're exploring the use of this experimentally to see how we can use liquid hydrogen. The limits of this potential are endless. Hydrogen is the fundamental building block of the universe. All we can create with it is limited only by our imagination and the laws of physics. The key takeaway I have from the Hyper Lab is how little is required to actually change the world. All you need is a group of passionate individuals wanting to try something new to actually explore the opportunity of liquid hydrogen. For prospective students, if you have a natural bravery and a curiosity to the physics underlying nature of things, then the Hyper Lab is the right opportunity for you. The experience here are cross-cutting across a variety of different opportunities, both for using hydrogen as a clean energy, to utilizing hydrogen as a refrigerant to enable superconducting. There really is a wide spectrum and a wide net to cast with hydrogen's potential. And all that requires is just that bravery to take the first step into the world of cryogenics to get immersed in it. The Hyper Lab has equipped me with the skills in liquid hydrogen to share across the rest of the world, so we can all enjoy opportunities to connect through hydrogen technologies. In the immediate future, we'll see we go back to Australia, we can share the good word of liquid hydrogen to help de-risk its use across industry and to actually share hydrogen production across the Asia Pacific region.